Are your WhatsApp marketing campaigns showing very low delivery rates? You send a campaign, everything looks fine, but then you see this error, 131049. This message was not delivered to maintain healthy ecosystem engagement. We know how frustrating this can be, especially when you've done everything right. Let's break down why this happens, what it actually means, and how you can fix it effectively. This error comes when you try to send marketing message templates, but WhatsApp decides not to deliver those messages to your contacts. As per the official documentation, WhatsApp does this to protect its ecosystem, to reduce spam, and ensure users don't feel overwhelmed by promotional messages. There are a few common reasons why this may happen. First, the recipient has already received too many marketing messages recently, not just from you, but from any business on WhatsApp. Second, WhatsApp may be seeing low engagement signals, like users ignoring messages, deleting chats, or reporting messages. Third, overall ecosystem quality signals, such as message frequency, template usage patterns, and user behavior, may trigger delivery limits. After evaluating all these factors, WhatsApp decides whether a message should get delivered or blocked. It's important to note here that this decision is made entirely by WhatsApp on their end, and it is not caused by our tool. It is not a bug or technical issue in WANotifier, but a standard error in WhatsApp Business API. Now let's see how you can fix this error. The official solution given by WhatsApp for this is simple. You just retry sending the messages again after 24 hours. WhatsApp's limits are per user, and they reset automatically over time, usually within 24 hours. Once the cooldown period passes, the same message may get delivered successfully the next time you try. To make this retry process easier for you, WANotifier provides an Auto-Retry failed messages option. When creating a notification, scroll down to the Advanced Settings section and enable the Auto-Retry option. Make sure you keep the first retry at least after 24 hours. Our system will automatically retry failed messages up to 3 times, helping you improve your delivery without manual effort. Let's quickly summarize. Error 131049 is enforced by WhatsApp, not WANotifier. It usually happens due to marketing frequency or low engagement. WhatsApp decides whether a message is delivered or blocked. Waiting 24 hours and resending often resolves the issue and improves delivery rate. WANotifier provides a setting to do this automatically. If you're seeing low delivery rates, don't panic. This is a normal part of WhatsApp's ecosystem controls. Check out our Help Center for more tips. And as always, happy messaging with WANotifier.